Hey Fishdom fans, want to make sure your progress is safe and sync across devices? Then you need to sign in with Google. Let me show you how in just a few taps. First, open Fishdom. Launch the Fishdom game on your mobile device. Then, go to Settings. Tap on the gear icon located at the top right or left corner of the screen. Now look for the Sign In with Google button and tap on it. If you are already signed in on your phone, it will show you your account option. Pick the Google account you want to link. If you have multiple accounts, make sure to choose the one you always use for gaming. Wait for signing up. Boom, you are signed in with Google. That means your progress is backed up and you can play across devices without losing your PC empire. And here you go, it's done. That's how you can sign in Fishdom with Google. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.